Morning guys, day 4, February 26. Ngayon punta muna kami ng Koiwa Station. Kakain kami ng Yoshinoya breakfast. May Family Mart din dun, di ba? Nakita ko.
Oo, magbibigay na kape.
Maglo-load muna siya ng Suica card. Medyo painit na ngayon, pero ang lamig pa rin eh. Pero base sa ano, no? Sa weather forecast, medyo mag 14 degrees lang mga tanghali. Pero malamig pa rin yun compare sa atin. Baguio na yun eh, yung mga ganun.
Pero hindi na tulad kahapon.
Kahapon sobrang lamig. Pero hindi natin alam, baka lang bumig ulit. Kaya ulit guys. Tignan nyo, daming commuter talaga rito guys. Itong station namin, di pa ito masyadong kilala, no? Pero tignan nyo, dami. Tignan nyo yung pacing ng tao, gaano kabibilis maglakad dyan mga yeah. Sa Tokyo, mas bulto tao ron. Nandito na kami sa Koiwa Station. Ito ng paborito namin kainan, pag-almusal, Yoshinoya. Iba yung Yoshinoya dito, no? Sarap, saka mura. Iba yung quality. Compare sa Pilipinas na Yoshinoya.
Ang mahal sa Pilipinas.
Let's go. Ganito mag-order dito, guys. Ito, beef syempre. Gusto ko yung may apoy eh. Meal. Ito na agad yung order niya. Kaya ito na yung sa akin guys. Solid. Calbian. Hi guys. Dito kami sa labas ng Imperial Palace. Mag-aano kami. Sakura hunting. Yung matanda. Sana may sakura kami makita rin. Sabi meron daw eh, no? Sana makakita namin. Ayan. Ganda rito. Tokyo. Ito mismo yung central ng Tokyo. Ayan guys. Papasok kami ng Imperial Palace. Pero medyo malayo-layo pa to sa mismong palace. Pero ang ganda ng daanan. Tulay. Pag yun mo, city. Biglang garden dito, no? Ganda, oh. Tinan nyo naman. Solid na kahoy lang. Ganda ng tulay. Wait, tingin. Kakulay mo yung tulay, ah. Ayan guys, papasok na kami ng Imperial Palace. Biglang kaming tour. Libre naman. Guided tour dito sa loob ng Imperial. Mag-fill up kami nitong form. Pakita yung passport. Ganda. Ito yung pagpasok ko. Tingnan mo naman, no? Parang pangsabak talaga siya ng gera, no? Tibay na itsura.
In several
Ayan, may
languages,
orientation pa guys
besides
bago
Japanese,
mag-start yung tour.
French, Spanish, Chinese, and English are available. You're welcome to join any language groups at the beginning of the tour. For security reasons, there will be only one area. And underneath the tower, stone wall was constructed in 1606. And it still remains intact after hundreds of years and so many earthquakes. And Edo has repeatedly suffered from fire hazard. During the Great Fire of Meiji in 1667, most of the buildings in Edo were burned down, including the Summer and Main Upper Tower. And this tower said to be rebuilt 2 years after the fire in 1659. Taking care of their Majesty the Emperor and Empress and other members of the imperial family in this huge precinct. And about 400 people are working in this building now. The initial building stood here as the imperial house.
Ito na ata yung mismong main palace, no? Modern na rin.
So this entrance is the North Carriage Court. And this entrance is used by the visitors who came here to attend the ceremony held at the Imperial Palace. And people who visited here need to sign their names to pay respect to the Emperor. And it cannot be seen from here today, but there's a big chandelier inside.
Ano nyo guys, gaano kalawak? Sobrang lawak nito. Dami nagtutur. Iba-ibang language. Naka-hati-hati kung anong language. Kami sa English kami nakasama. Ang Tagalog.
Very spacious place, and this place is called Tote, meaning East Courtyard. And this place is used for a large gathering of people. It can hold about 20,000 people. And underneath the ground where we are standing is the parking. About 120 cars and vehicles can be parked there.
Parking pala to.
And the stones used here are said to be softer than normal stones, so even if someone would fall, they won't be seriously injured.
Wow.
I was told. Do not try. And every year for the New Year, January the 2nd, and the emperor found at the prehistoric sites in Japan. And when there is a ceremony in the imperial palace, it's illuminated, light coming through between the needles, and it's very, very beautiful. Okay, so please move. Next to the imperial palace, you see the garden. It's a south garden. And South Garden is a Japanese-style garden, including a flowing of water, make you feel like being in a mountain valley. And inside the garden, do you see two mountain-like forms?
Yeah.
Those forms are made by planting more than 20 different kinds of trees on one spot together to resemble some kind of animals. Do you know what they are? Any ideas? Yeah, someone said it right. It's a turtle. Because turtles are considered to be lucky animals in Japan, symbolizing longevity. And down there you see a bridge. And that bridge originally made of wood. However, it was replaced by stones in 1887. So that bridge is called Stone Bridge of the main gate. However, that bridge also has the nickname called Meganebashi. Do you know megane in Japanese? Yeah, it's eyeglasses. Because the arches of the bottom of the bridge reflects on the surface of water and looks like an eyeglasses. That's why the bridge has the nickname called Meganebashi. Yeah, today transfer. So they dismantled the building in Kyoto and brought to Edo and reassembled here.
Ang galing Kyoto daw yan, B.
Outer garden of the palace, you can see the
inassemble
Stone Bridge
dito ulit.
and this Iron Bridge, and Fushimiyagura stands proudly. And this is very familiar scene for the Japanese people, like symbolic image of the imperial palace. Shachihoko fish. And Shachihoko fish has the body of fish and the heads of dragons. And dragons splash water from their mouths, so it is said to act like a charms to protect buildings from fire. Also, fish does not close their eyes, so they can be a great guard. Watch around the castle 24/7.
Hi guys, tapos kami mag day tour dun sa Imperial Palace sa loob. Isang oras lang naman yun. Ngayon papasok kami dito sa East Garden. Baka nandyan ang mga sakurang hinahanap namin. Ganda view. Hi guys, dito na kami sa taas ng garden. Paakyat. Pagod. Pero may nakita na kami cherry blossom. 3 puno na ito nakikita ko. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan ang isa. Tapos meron pa ron. Picture kami dyan. Hi guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Shibuya. Tumawid na kami kanina sa crossing. Mamaya tawid kami ulit doon. I-video ko ulit mamaya. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Yakiniku Lake. Lunch kami na sa babi. Alauna na ngayon pala kami magla-lunch. Yakiniku Lake muna kami. Don Quixote. Doon naman natin kakanan tayo pag ganun. Burger King, ito ako main. Ayan ang Shibuya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lalakaran namin. Ayan ang Shibuya. Laging maraming tao. Ganyan. Ayan. Mega Don Quixote. Kamukura. Yung GU. So tumingin dyan, B. Dahil kainan dito. Yan, numinipis na tao. Doon sa may crossing, kapal ng tao talaga ron. Guys, Yakiniku Lake. Kainan na. Yan guys, dito na kami. Yan ang tsura dito. Parang sa Pilipinas din, tagi-isang grill. Tapos dito ka order. Order tayo. Huh? Ito na. Start na kami mag-grill. So, bigaw na tayo. Hi guys, tapos na kami dun sa Shibuya. Kumain lang kami. Tapos nais na rin, punta kami dito sa Harajuku. Kain kami ng prep. Dahil wala naman na kaming magawa doon sa Shibuya. Dahil lagi naman na kami nagpupunta ron. Sa Harajuku naman tayo. Dami rin tao rito, tingnan nyo mamaya. Dito na kami sa Takeshita Street. Ay pamilihan din dito. Galing na rin kami dito last time pero ang init na. Ngayon masarap maglakad ngayon, malamig. Yan, dito na kami sa sibilan namin ng prep. Ang Marine Prep. Yan. Maganda rito, walang pila doon kasi sa labas. Maganda, dahil bumibili doon eh. Ito walang pila rito. Ganyan nila ginagawa yung prep ko. Parang Shanghai wrapper sa atin. Galing. Yun. Ito na yung order namin. Sarap yan guys. Sarap. Ice cream nga yan. Nab-nab. Ay, may strawberry. Sarap. Cheesecake kinakain ko.
Kain ko naman yun.
Mas masarap siya ngayon na. Kesa nung may ganda dito. Mi Pig Cafe. Tinan niyo yung mga ano. Ipepet niyo yung mga pig dun sa loob. Habang umiinom kayo ng kape. Ayan, gala-gala lang yung mga baboy dun. Ang cute oh. Ayun oh. Hi guys. Nakabalik na kami rito sa Shinkoiwa. Kung saan malapit yung hotel. Nag-ikot-ikot kami doon sa malapit sa station. Nakapamili kami. Ano yan sa'yo?
Mga ano, jacket na nakapal.
Mga pang winter, tsaka winter boots. Nakabili kami. Murang-murang halaga. Dahil hindi naman namin araw-araw gagamitin yun. Saka nakakuha pa siyang isang bag. Yung bag ko. Murang-mura yan. Ganda pa ng quality.
Nabudol.
Sana di na kayo bumili ng brand new.
Uy. Wala rin namang ganyan.
Hindi, wala. Wala lang panlalaki. Puro pambabae lang yung mga nasa thrift shop na. Pero dahil mura at maganda pa, bili mo na. Sayang. Sabay-sabay mong gamitin, di ba?
Depende sa mood mo.
Pag-take mo dalawang bag. Ito yung supermarket na malapit sa amin. Ito, katabi ko ng hotel namin. Dito palang busog ka na. Oh, mura. Makakatsugi. Bento na, 380 lang. Bento pala, bento. Ano bento? Bento, sorry. Ayan lang yan. Ayan yung bilihan. Ayan yung hotel namin. Ayun. Ganda yung peso ng hotel namin. Supermarket. Tapos Lawson. Tapos may Chinese bar. Ayan. B-Studio. Pambata. Lawson. Ayan na. Cypress Inn. Ito mga dapat mga nabablog. Magandang location ng hotel. Opa. Tayo sa inyo. Kaya tayo. Kami sa kwarto. Nasa labas yung kwarto namin, ang bangis. Kaya ang lamig eh. Wala kang tao dito palagi. Ayun, ano. Elevator. Ay po, buhayin na naman ako. Lakas na yung static guys. Kaya na pa kami na yung static.
Elevator.
5th floor kami. 5th floor. Ito yung kwarto natin. Ayan o, nalabas ka pa.
Ayan yung view.
Ayan yung view ng kwarto namin. Yan. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda ng bubong.
Ganda ng bubong. Eh hindi, ayun yung highway tsaka yung train. At may dumadaan na train dyan. Yan, mga kapitbahay namin. Oo, kumusta kayo dyan? Wala naman. Ito yung ano ng pinto namin ha. Pasok na lang kayo. Yun lang.